Welcome back. Today we are looking at the Drip Irrigation System Kit 2050m 656ft164ft Garden Review Advanced Engineering for Pro Use. It'll be honest, anytime I hear smart irrigation system, my instinct is to roll my eyes. Too many gadgets promise automation, efficiency, and smart living, only to end up as fragile plastic tubes and confusing apps that stop working after the first rain. So, when I first got my hands on this Drip Irrigation System Kit 2050m range with smart controller and atomizing copper nozzles, I expected another disappointment. Check the video description for the updated price link. Something that would either leak, clog, or require a degree in engineering just to install. But something surprising happened. It actually worked. Not perfectly at first, not magically, but steadily, reliably, and better than I was willing to believe. This kit is designed for outdoor plant watering, gardens, lawns, and even greenhouse setups. It comes with adjustable drip emitters, 360-degree bending nozzles, tubing, connectors, and a smart irrigation controller that handles scheduling. As someone skeptical of smart gardening tools, I approached this as a manual irrigation upgrade rather than a futuristic solution. And that mindset helped me appreciate it more, because once set up correctly, this system quietly does its job without drama. Let's strip away the buzzwords. This irrigation kit is essentially a modular watering system that replaces manual watering cans or inconsistent hose sprinklers. The main features include adjustable drip emitters. The emitters allow you to control water flow per plant. This is crucial for mixed gardens. Some plants need steady moisture, others need light watering. Instead of guessing, you can fine-tune it. 360-degree bending atomizing copper nozzles. These are surprisingly useful. They distribute water in a fine mist or directional spray, depending on adjustment. Unlike cheap plastic nozzles, the copper components feel more durable and less likely to clog. Smart irrigation controller. This is where skepticism kicks in. But, surprisingly, it holds up. You can schedule watering cycles so your plants get hydration even when you're not around. It reduces human error. Forgetting to water plants is more common than people admit. Long tubing range 2050m options. This makes it suitable for medium to large gardens. The flexibility of layout means you can route water lines around flower beds, pots, or greenhouse shelves. Easy modular installation system. It uses push-fit connectors, which means no complicated plumbing tools. That said, easy still requires patience, especially during the first setup. Water-saving design. Instead of spraying everywhere, it focuses water exactly where needed. Over time, this reduces water waste significantly. At this point, I still wasn't fully convinced. Features are easy to list. Real-world performance is where things usually fall apart, and that's exactly what I tested next. After installation, I expected leaks, uneven watering, or controller failure. Instead, the system gradually stabilized after a few adjustments. The first day was messy. A couple of connectors weren't fully tightened, and water pressure was uneven. That's normal for any drip system, but it still tested my patience. By day 3, things improved noticeably. Plants that usually dried out faster started showing consistent moisture levels. Soil stayed evenly damp instead of alternating between dry and overwatered. The smart irrigation controller became more useful over time. Once I set a simple morning and evening schedule, I stopped thinking about watering entirely. One thing I appreciated most was control. I could redirect water lines easily without dismantling everything. That flexibility matters more than people expect. Another surprising benefit was reduced water usage. Compared to hose watering, this system uses significantly less water while achieving better plant hydration. For anyone comparing options, you might find this related product guide useful for understanding other outdoor utility upgrades that pair well with garden automation setups. Check the link in the description to get yours today.